And today I'll show you an extremely easy way to color sand for sand arts using salts. And you'll be using some salt. It can be any type of salt you like. You can use a coarse or a fine salt. And you're going to pour your salt into some bowls and picking out what color, food coloring you would like to use. It's very easy, and you just add a few drops of food coloring to your salt and start grinding it in there. And this will in fact just color the salt any color you. That's nice. Now, notice that it has a bit of moisture to it. All you need to do is to pour it out on a sheet of paper, spread it out, and let it dry. The yellow. Try green. Let's try for blue. We have our colors completely made, and once they're dry you can now start putting them into any type of vial or jar of your choice, creating sand art. Have a glass jar like this. You can start adding and putting sand in there, creating any different type style you like. It's a very easy craft project for anyone to do. It comes out really cool, and once you fill it, you can just put the cap right on there. Beautiful gift to give.